Brixton, be quiet. All right, let's keep it real. Who skipped? Who skipped on these 8s? Keep it real.
I know I was supposed to start rapping right there and all that. I was enjoying that shit like y'all was.
Nerd rap.
Listen, you can find me drinking wine in Amy Winehouse's house with a different type of rap pipe in the mouth. Yeah, I said it. Scared niggas think but don't say I'm Frankie Lyman. Why do these birds sing so gay? I'm New York's grittiest city slicker. You the new world shittiest 16 spitters. Get these niggas the fuck away from me. No, watch it, y'all. Move, bang. Blood on the wall like pigs harassing die moves. I know. I'm a star, but I'm a star niggas. Whipping and shipping them off for businesses. It's like I'm fucking with the KKK. I hate these niggas, I will break their face. Roaches the AK raid. Spray out of your range, body your lames. Got guns that'll keep to sneak you like da-da-da-da-da-da-da, man. I ain't even got the murk. You had Sean P. punch your gums out like Stride commercial.
I be the fear factor, the rapper come back here, smack your ear, take your Jack career smoking the clear rapper. Punk sweet, you food. Lunch meat, I'm rude. Dump heat, leave you slump sleep, nigga, you through. Fuck you and the crackers that own you. I own 2 guns that'll pop off your crown and dethrone you. Abdul Jabbar, Muggsy Malone you. I don't know what that mean, but you know what I mean when I told you. I'm old school, new school. I'm a dropout, got my GED. Back in the game, now pull your guap out. Opt out your contract. Pop out the crons, clap a nigga, bang. Let the motherfuckers know that Sean back. My president is black. The cocaine is white. The non-nickel-plated nigga who fixed the fight. Sean Price, a motherfucker. Let's go.
Back on the scene, it's the incredible one-man team. When I get mad, I turn green. I'm lying. When I'm mad, I burn green and blam steam. Or get the animal cold, cause me can stampede. You're the one and only Beastmaster. Creep after me, catch a deep gash, a heat clap your bang. We after them G's like police after us, like eating after bud or sleeping after fucking, or we laugh at your spaz out of nowhere, choke you while singing how you supposed to breathe with no air. Spark that ass up for real. Use a fucking pill. Probably get popped for a dub in the Ville. Probably get popped for less out west. A AK and make a mess out your flesh. Me, I'm the mini shotty murderer. Got it in my sleeve, let it go. Let them know what's really rocking with a G. I could be whipping around with a piff in the pound. Who wanna get lifted and grounded and kick when he down? You like, some be out there on some chill shit. Shit, hollering on some real shit. Yeah, nigga.
My turn again?
Yeah. Technically, I didn't skip on them. Since I already had the playoff 8s, and that's like my only Jordan 8 in my collection, I was like, man, I'm cool with what I got, even though I'm not gonna front. Yo, that red tab makes a total difference. They look clean as shit. Given some, like, maybe some other circumstances, other years or something like that, I probably would have copped, but that's that when it comes to the 8s. Like, I'm cool off my pairs. As a matter of fact, when I was in Foot Locker, somebody was like, yo, them joints is fire. And I was like, oh, yo, these the ones from before, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to front, you know, everybody getting their joint. Like, they started laughing. But anyway, man, so, but I already knew. I said, yo, just because I'm not getting them, you know what I'm saying, don't mean, So I went up in there, where we at? So I went up in there. Don't run. Oh, wrong joint. Lil Wade was definitely gonna get his pair. Boom, got them right here. And the thing that I like about these for the the big kids or whatever, there are no shoelaces at all. So we ain't gotta worry about that, you know what I'm saying? And I know the shoelaces got to be driving the daycare ladies crazy, so, and at school. But yeah. So all you gotta do really is put them joints on. I'm gonna strap them though, you know what I'm saying? Pause if we have to on that, but yeah, make sure they joints strap. But yeah, man, he got his joints, you know what I'm saying? I'm at least getting them his. Boom. There they go right here. I know, it'd be more better if I had mine, you know what I'm saying, to do the on foot, but you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes I get into a zone and just be like, you know what I'm saying? It's for my kids, you know? So, yeah, but I'll make sure I spray these joints down, and I know by that, I'm gonna let them rock them on, as long as it's not raining, I'm gonna let them rock these joints, but, you know, other than that, yeah. And then, boom, got Lil Wave one, had to get Baby Wave one, you know what I'm saying? But he not gonna be able to rock these for a minute, but yeah, got the baby joints too right here. Don't have to, well, obviously you don't have to worry about laces with them, but yeah, and it's the easiest strap. Just boom, boom. And I might just let him rock his without the strap, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, or Air Raid style. But yeah, man, nah, speaking of Air Raids, yeah. Nah, they gives that vibe to me though. But yeah, this sneaker's clean. I love the sole. That red sole, and then, oh, they don't get a pull tab at the back, but I love the sole on these. The coloring is very deep with the reds, the blues, the whites, and the yellow. Like, hell yeah. But yeah, man, I had to get there. And then I said, you know what? I got my two boys something. I had to give my ribs something. You already know. You know what I saw up in there. You know what I saw up in there. She got the everybody got these. She got the everybody got these. Yeah, I had to, you know what I'm saying? I definitely had to. I said, you know what? Let me get her a pair of these. So I did get her the dunk. So should be rocking the dunks today. I told her, man, I don't care how you rock these joints, you know what I'm saying, or if you f them up or whatever, they made to be worn. I ain't tripping, you know what I'm saying. And plus, you still got the playoff 12, so you good. But yeah. So it was just one flaw on these, and I wish I would have saw it when I was there. She pointed it out, but I mean, it ain't really tripping. Where we at? You can look straight down you see that line going down? I mean, what you gonna do?
You can't do nothing, nigga.
So, yeah, man, got them joints, but yeah, I did skip. Who else skipped on them 8?
Me, goddammit.
I'm going today, as a matter of fact. I'm gonna go see if they're sitting or not. Don't know if this video is gonna be over with. You'll know that it's gonna be over with by how the outro goes, but I am going downtown because I gotta do something else. I gotta treat me, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got theirs. It's my turn. But yeah, about to go downtown or whatever. But anyway, man, yo, I wanna shout out the Wave Mod, shout out everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter B. Oh, yeah. Snaps.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
It's your boy Wavy, you already know this. My channel, let's go with your beach. Like I always like to say, see you on